Accessories for the installation of cap attachment: cap station, cap rings, cap driver. First, fix the cap station on a hard surface. If you are worried about scratching the paint of the machine, you can first put a piece of cardboard or bubble cotton. Secondly, align the opening groove of the cap rings with the positioning of cap station. Hold the cap ring firmly and gently push it in flat gently until you hear the 3 spring buckles on the cap station make a click sound. Unfasten the metal band and let it rest to the left side of the cap ring. Prepare a cap and pull back the sweatband located below the bill of the cap in case of getting stabbed. Fasten the metal strip. This ring can be adjusted according to the thickness of the cap using the screw on the right-hand side. Fasten the metal strip, pick up the excess fabric on the back of the cap, and secure idicing the provided metal clips. The bearing on the cap driver is facing the guide rail and then pushed in. Turn the connecting plate so that the screws on the connecting plate of the cap driver are aligned with the holes. Tighten the screws to secure the connecting plate. In this way, we complete the installation of the cap driver. Prepare for embroidery on your control panel. Select the cap hoop. After clamping the cap, press the 3 clips on the cap station to remove the cap ring. Because the brim is too long and facing the needle bar will cause the cap to not fit into the cap driver, it is necessary to turn the brim to avoid the needle bar case. After returning to the center, align the buckle, and then press the 3 buckles on the left, right, and bottom of the cap driver. The cap attachment is now fully installed. Select a design. Set the color sequence and select the color according to the pattern. Select the setting mode and enter the embroidery mode. Select the design tracing and follow it. At this time, the embroidery frame will follow the pattern outline. Return to the home page and press Start button to start embroidery.